Hey guys, it's your girl Karen Bolden. Listen, I'm back again to remind you that you were born on purpose for purpose, that you were no mistake, accident, or coincidence. Yes, you were born on purpose for purpose. You were no mistake, accident, or coincidence. And so there is a divine purpose for your life. I wanted to jump on real quickly and just expound on what we have going on here at K Elegance Boutique that can truly be a blessing to you. One of the things that we're called to do, we are called to break cycles of oppression off the backs of God's people. And I found out a long time ago that in order to do that, if you want to be set free, if you want to move, if you want to get unstuck, you have to be an active participant of your own process. You have to be an active participant of your own breakthrough, of your own deliverance, of your own vision, or what have you. But somewhere along the line, we've been taught that everybody's supposed to do all the work, make all the investments for us. No, scratch that. That was a lie from the pits. It was designed to keep us stuck, and the devil is a liar. So I want to let you know what we're doing for you, what we want to do for you. K Elegance Boutique Multiplex Center. One of the visions, again, we are here to break cycles. Kingdom Dominion Cycle Breakers is our LLC. KDCB, Kingdom Dominion Cycle Breakers. We're here to break cycles off the backs of God's people. And so I've been getting a lot of calls over the years. Karen, what do you do to write your book? Blah, 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 this and that, this and that. Listen, so many people have said, I've got a story to tell. I've got something. I don't know what to do. I don't know where to start. So I want to help you. I want to help you. I have designed a class for only $35. And the first one is going to be March 13th from 1 to 3. It's going to be hosted here, right here at the Multiplex Center, 111 Deary Street, Shelbyville, Tennessee. Yes, 111 Deary Street, Shelbyville, Tennessee. March 13th, I'm about to forget, March 13th from 1 to 3, you will be also given a workbook that will be a resource, a guide to you that can you can reflect back on it. But when you take this class, I'm going to walk you through each process. I'm going to walk you through from the beginning to the end in what you need to do to have a complete book in your hand. Yes, for $35, we're going to do this just for you. Some people say, "Oh, why are you only charging $35 for all of this?" Because we want to be a blessing. I get blessed when I see God's people blessed, and so I want to be able to be a blessing to you. I'll tell people nobody can pay me back greater than what God can. I've been blessed tremendously. He downloads information to me, and listen, my job is to give it to you. And so that's what I want to do. We've created a workbook that will be a resource to you. You can keep it. It'll be yours. And this class is $35. You can register at the link that is listed below. Listen, so many of you have a phenomenal story to tell. Somebody need to hear your story. Somebody need to hear how God brought you out. What are you doing now? How you're moving forward? Doors, I'm telling you, even as you begin to do this, doors will be open to you. I'm telling you, listen, take the class. If you have a book in you, you feel like you have a book. If you don't have a book in you, and you said, you know what, well, maybe I can show somebody else how to do it. Take the class. Encourage somebody else. If you know someone who have a book in them, tell them to take the class. We are offering it online as well. So all you have to do is go in, click the link, and it'll take you right to where you need to register. And you'll have the option online or in class or what have you. I know some people, we offer it both because some people simply are just not an online person. They need to be in person. We want to offer that to you. And I give God praise that we're in a position that we can offer that to you. Okay? So listen, understand. You were born on purpose for a purpose. You were no accident, coincidence, or mistake, okay? Listen, there is vision all up in you. And sometimes you have to get in the presence of people who can bring that thing out of you. If you're, I've heard somebody say, if you are the greatest among your circle, then you need to make some changes within your circle, because you need to draw down from wisdom that is greater than you, so that you can expand, you can grow and expand your territory. All right, we're excited. We're excited with what's happening here at K. Elegance Boutique. There are multiple things that God has downloaded to us, and that we're going to be presenting and bringing your way. Jump on the bandwagon if you want to get unstuck. If you want to break cycles in your life, you need to get with us. You need to partner with K. Elegance Boutique and say, hey, whatever they got going on, we want to be a part of it, because we're moving, y'all. Look at the track record. We're moving. We're not just talking, but we are walking. We're running. All right, I want to see you there. God bless you. Y'all be encouraged. Click the link below and register today.